Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing Warbot IO. So here we go. Okay, so it's my first time playing this. So WASD space space. Okay. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Okay, let's go play. Okay. 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 What just happened? Oh my god. Okay, I'm just trying not to die here. I'm just trying not to die here, okay? God. Okay, someone's trying to kill me. Okay. Okay. This is hard. Okay. Okay, my first time playing this. Okay, you shot the bomb at me. Okay, you guys are teaming up on me? Okay. You come from behind, he comes in front. Okay. Okay. Okay, we gotta find a way. Okay. What are you? Ooh, what's this? Oh, press reload. Okay, we're gonna need all this. Ooh, health, thank God. Oh God, there's this. I did not know this. Okay, hurry. Okay. No. Oh no. I didn't know this was happening. Okay. No, I died. No. Self-destruct. That's not fair. I didn't know. Okay. Okay. Come on. Ah, here we go. Okay. Leon Delorbe attack. Okay, pilot 94934. Let's kill you. Nice skin, by the way. It's super cool. Okay, can you stop throwing bombs at me now? I'm still a basic. Like basic Pokemon? Yeah, a little body. Get him, get up. No, no, what the fudge just happened? Raymond. Okay. 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 Okay, let's try to see if we can win. Okay. Let's go here. Here. Okay, fudge. I forgot the motes. Okay. Oh my god, I just killed myself, didn't I? Oh my god. Hey, we're close to the next character. Okay. Hello, buddy. Just you and me. We can do this. Let's spawn right in the middle of the action. Okay. Okay. Okay, I get it. Okay. No, I almost forgot what those do. Okay, I need to kill myself. +0. That's the worst thing that's ever happened. Please be two. What? Oh my god. Okay. Well, let's see. Let's spawn right in the middle of the action. Same consequences, I hope. Huh? Okay. Yes. No! What? Why is that even there? Hit you, hole. Frowny face? What gives me a frowny face? Okay. Go. Okay. Why is it so hard to move? Okay. I need help. There's so many of them. There's just so many. What just happened? What did I do? Killed by water? I just bounced between two guys and I died. This does not make sense. That makes sense. Oh my god. Let's spawn right at the edge. I know there's going to be some consequences. Okay. 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 No, don't kill me again. No. My body pieces just flowing everywhere. Okay. Oh no, but did I just die? Why? So close, so close. I know it could take so long. Come on, please. Please. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Thomas Jefferson time would help me. Okay. Thomas time. Thomas. Okay. Bye one more time. No. Okay, well, that's it for today, guys. Leave a like and make sure to subscribe, please. Thank you. That would be very nice. Bye.